In this video, Timmy's going to show you where to find your downloaded files on a Chromebook. So if you've been downloading files to your Chromebook from any website in Google Chrome, and now you want to find those files so that you can view them and do whatever you want with them, this is where you need to look. All of the files on your Chromebook can be found in the Files app, so you'll need to open the Files app if you haven't already. The icon should be somewhere along this bottom bar here. Here it is here. But if it's not, you'll just need to click this little circle icon here, and it will definitely be somewhere in this menu here. So here it is here, and Timmy will click on that to open it. And now, once you're in the Files app, you'll need to make sure you're in the My Files section, which is where you'll find all the files that are actually on your Chromebook and not on Google Drive or anything like that. So click on My Files in the side menu here to make sure you're there. Not on Google Drive. If you're here, you just need to click My Files to go to My Files. And here is where you'll find the Downloads folder. You might have a lot of different files and folders in this section, but somewhere here you should find a folder called Downloads, and if you double click on that, this is where you'll find all your downloaded files. And that's basically all there is to it. These are your downloaded files. But if you have a lot of files in here, it can start to get hard to find the file you're looking for. So Timmy would recommend sorting all these files by date if they're not already, by clicking on this A to Z up here, and then click Date Modified. So if it was set to name or something right now, you would click here and click Date Modified, and now the most recent file you downloaded is at the top. So if you downloaded a file and then came in here to the Downloads folder straight away, you would see that file you just downloaded sitting in here waiting for you. And once you've found the downloaded file you're looking for, you can double click on it to open it and view it, and you can do whatever you want with it. But now, depending on the sort of file you've downloaded, you might actually want to move it out of the Downloads folder and into a different folder to keep everything more organized. And you can do that by clicking and dragging and dropping it wherever you want. So if you wanted to move this file out of the Downloads folder, you would get one finger here and click that down on the trackpad on the file. So you'll see we'll put the mouse on the file and click and hold. And then with a different finger, it's probably easiest if it's on a different hand, drag across the trackpad like this, and you'll see on the screen this file is now following Timmy's mouse, and now you can drop it wherever you want. So we might drop it into the My Files folder so that it's still on Timmy's Chromebook, but it's outside the Downloads folder. So we'll drag it up to My Files and then let go, and the file will be moved. So you'll see now it's no longer in the Downloads folder. And if we click back on My Files here to go out of the Downloads folder, back into My Files, we'll see here the file we moved out of the Downloads folder is now in here. And of course, this was all with a trackpad, but if you're using a mouse with your Chromebook, it's basically the same thing. You just click and hold the click button with the mouse, and then drag and drop it wherever you want. And you could also move the file into Google Drive if you wanted to, so that it's stored on the cloud instead of on your Chromebook. Or you could also move it onto a flash drive, which Timmy shows you how to do in a whole different video. But when you do that, it will actually copy the file to Google Drive or the flash drive. So if you were to go back into the Downloads folder here, and maybe we'll put this file in Google Drive, if we click and drag it across and hover over Google Drive, you'll see when we do, it comes up with this little green plus, and that means we're going to be copying it. So if we drop it in here, now it'll say copying the file is completed, and the file is now in Google Drive, but as you can see, it's also still here in Downloads. So if you want to have two copies like that, you can leave it like that, but if you just wanted the file in Google Drive and not in Downloads, once you've done this, you can now delete the file from the Downloads folder, and you will only have the file in Google Drive. But that's all there is to finding your downloaded files on a Chromebook. And now that you've found all your downloaded files, if you need any help arranging them and getting them all nicely organized, Timmy has lots more videos about using the Files app on your Chromebook, and you'll find links to all of them in the description below. And Timmy will try to put most of them somewhere on the screen around here, so that they're easy to click on.